Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to get cPanel in Hostinger. But before we begin, you can get at least 20% off in Hostinger when you click on the link down below. Now let's get started. Now what is cPanel? cPanel is a user-friendly hosting control panel that simplifies the management of your website and server. It lets you organize your website files, create MySQL databases, manage domains, FTP accounts, and email accounts, and perform many other management functions through your cPanel account. So basically here to get your cPanel, you want to go here on hostinger.com/cpanel-hosting. Then you will go here on this homepage. So basically it is different from the Cpanel on the Hostinger. Now if you go here, scroll down, you'll find here, choose the best cPanel web hosting plan. So you can choose here either you want cPanel hosting silver, and you can pay up to $2.59 a month and you will get this access, or you can go here on gold where you can pay $3.59 a month. So just choose right here if you want silver or gold. And here, as you can see, it is reliable, easy to use, and comes with everything you need to manage your website smoothly. And if you scroll down here, you will find another information, fast and adaptable. So you are able to fast track and optimize your website with respect to traffic and speed, thereby powering up your online presence. And here, secure and reliable. So it will protect your website from malware and attacks. And from here, easy hosting management. So to make website management even easier, cPanel web hosting plans come with the Softicillus apps installer. So here you can find all the information. And here basically if you want to select this plan, so we're gonna click on this add to cart button, and then you will go here on this page. So you just need to complete all your details to be able to get the cPanel. And from here, you can choose a period. If your plan, you want to go 1 month, 12 months, 24, or 48 months. And then here, create your account. So if you have already an account, just need to log in right here. And then select your payment method if you want to pay via credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, or CoinGate. So just need to complete all the fields right here. And basically, you can able to buy or get an access on your cPanel in Hostinger. So yeah, that's how you basically get cPanel in Hostinger. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.